Ants are a common household pest. With about 1,000 species of ants in the country, most homeowners run into an ant problem at one point or another. Whether it's a trail of tiny black ants heading toward the kitchen or large carpenter ants living on your deck, nobody likes sharing space with bugs. In this video, we are sharing our top tips for how to get rid of ants once and for all. Let's get started. Number 1. Diatomaceous earth or silicon dioxide. Diatomaceous earth, DE for short, is a type of silica dust made from the pulverized, fossilized remains of ancient aquatic organisms called diatoms. DE is not poisonous. Instead, it kills ants and other pests by pulling oil from their skeletons and drying them out. To kill ants with DE, just sprinkle the powder any place you see ants entering or moving through your home. Here are some pros and cons of DE that you can watch. Number 2. Detergents. Household detergents like hand soap, glass cleaner, or liquid detergent can deter ants from entering your home. Remember, ants have poor eyesight and they rely on the scented pheromone trails that they leave behind to navigate the world. Fortunately, household detergent removes these trails and helps keep ants out. For best result, mix detergent with water and scrub the surface with scrubby water. You can also use a store-bought glass cleaner the same way. Here are some pros and cons of detergents. Number 3. Pepper. Ants rely on their sense of smell to navigate the world, and they find the sense of pepper irritating. To deter them from entering your home, sprinkle ground black or red pepper around your baseboard or behind appliances. Let's see the pros and cons of pepper. Number 4. Essential oils. Peppermint, cinnamon leaf, lemon, neem, eucalyptus, thyme oil, lemongrass oil, and tea tree oil are natural ant repellents that can go a long way toward keeping ants out of your house. For best results, mix a few drops of essential oil into 2 cups of water and spray the mixture around the baseboards, windows, and door of your home. These are the pros and cons of essential oils. Number 5. White vinegar. If you see ants in your home, mix up a solution of 50-50 vinegar and water and wipe the ants off with it. This kills existing ants and repels future ants by leaving a lingering scent of vinegar that works as a natural ant repellent. Here are some pros and cons. Number 6. Baking soda. Ants and baking soda don't mix. In fact, baking soda and borax will both kill ants upon ingestion. For best results, mix equal parts baking soda and borax for ants and confectioner's sugar and place it into a shallow container where ants can reach it. Here are some pros and cons of baking soda. Say anything negative, 'cause I just want to hear it out your mouth, yeah. Number 7. Chalk. Chalk contains calcium carbonate. When placed in a thick line, calcium carbonate can confuse an ant's scent trail, making it more difficult for them to pick up the scent of other ants and confuse the pests. For best results, draw a thick, heavy line of chalk around the areas you'd like to protect, such as a picnic table or barbecues. Let's see the pros and cons of chalk. Number 8. Oranges or lemons. Citric fruits, specifically orange or lemon rinds, contain an extract known as D-lemony, which is toxic to ants. Instead of throwing out those orange peels, keep them and turn them into homemade ant repellent. Here is how. Dump discarded orange peels into a gallon jar. For best results, fill the jar halfway with peels and fill the rest of the container with water. Seal the jar and place it in a dark place for 3 to 5 days until the water is colored. Strain the liquid, dump it back into the jar, and add a teaspoon of molasses and a single squirt of dish soap. Mix the liquid well. Place it in a spray bottle and spray it directly on ants when you see them. The citrus oil will kill the ants on contact. You can also use this orange oil extract to eliminate ants' trail, so be sure to spray it anywhere you've noticed ant activity. Here are some pros and cons. Number 9. Salt. Salt can be an effective natural ant killer if you use it correctly. For best results, mix a cup of Epsom salt into a spray bottle of water and spray it directly on ants whenever you see them. The salt will kill the ants through dehydration without harming non-targeted species. Here are its pros and cons. Number 10. Cornstarch. Cornstarch, which you probably have in your kitchen already, is an effective ant killer. You can either pour cornstarch over an entire group of ants and dump water on top, or cover the ants with cornstarch and vacuum them up. If you choose the first option, you'll need to wipe off the dead ants and cornstarch and dispose of them. If you choose the second option, make sure to dispose of the content of your vacuum canister immediately. Let's see the pros and cons of this way. Number 11. Boric acid. Boric acid will kill worker ants and the colonies queen within 3 weeks of exposure. To use it effectively, make a solution containing half teaspoon of boric acid, 8 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. Stir the mixture until the boric acid is dissolved. Saturate cotton balls in the solution and place them anywhere you've noticed an activity. Here are boric acid pros and cons. Don't forget to like, comment your thoughts and subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. And now up to another video. Peace out.